Ladies and gentlemen, this is Brett Handy, the team leader of the Northern Stars. I'd like to say a special thank you to Sarah Van Gilst and her amazing team of volunteers for producing this show. We salute you.
Nicely put, because this is Sarah's last year. And this is dedicated to you, Sarah. There we go. And now you can blame those tears in your eyes for the smoke that gets in your eyes. You have your excuse. I know it's been an emotional day for you, but thanks for everything, and that's from the Northern Stars, me, Dano, Mach1, Joe Line, Kelsey, Donna, all of us. Put her heart and soul in this for years now. And off they go as high above our Skyhawks get ready to jump.